Sure hope I got that hooked up right. And of course the wind is starting to blow now. So, we'll see how she goes. Well, there we get her. Pulled away from the clamps and starting to tilt. I think I'll stop this video. Alright. I can see that I need to, that would be nice to extend my wires so I could stand away from this thing a little bit. Yeah. It appears to me like a few things need to be adjusted. And I can only take this down in the winter because my little concrete block is okay, Houston, we have a delay here. And had to loosen up the guide wire for the G5RV. So it appears to be hanging on. Of course, the wind's picking up and it's only, I don't know, it's cold. But I feel like walking under a ladder there. Alright, let's drop her down some more. The problem is, I don't know if you can tell by this video, but I got one side of my dipole shrunk on me this last year. I'm not real sure why. This is a critical point right here. That's where all your pressure is, right there. Alright. And doesn't appear to be wrecking anything at this point, so that's a good sign. I'll adjust the antenna and be back. Alright, got the dipole balanced now. I had a clamp that was bad and had been rubbing against a tree. So now, the up button, and this is where things usually get hokey. Tree branch hanging on. Yeah. Oh, and there we go. We got the tree branch. Came off that fast. Alright, well. Alright. You can see that because my winch is off center, that I'm going to have to stop the video here and miss any action probably. I had this thing fall quite a ways one time. I had that post break apart, that's why there's an iron beam there. It's apparently quite a bit of pressure there. And I'm going to have to put my hand on the cable. So I'll be back. Alright, so got her upright, and it's up to the stop now. I'll have to climb up and put the couple clamps on there and It's got a little bit of a twist in it from that time I dropped it, but it's all up and secure. Looks like my G5 RV is twisted up on the other side of the roof, but there we go. That little invention worked. As I said before, I split that log in half there and had to beef it up with iron. And she ain't gonna split now. And I discovered I didn't have anything grounded, so that's going to be my next project. I'll for this winter just ground it to this fastening point for the tower. And just as a footnote, that where that winch was mounted, as you can see, I got it. Chief engineer made it so it was a quick disconnect, so it won't be hard. And I can put the winch inside out of the weather.